What's up, guys? It's your boy. Y'all can see what time I'm on. Dodge is going back on these tires. You know, they the bigger tires. And as though we got a truck meet coming this week, so we gotta try to spruce her up a little bit. So we got the Dodge letters getting ready to go on. Well, one is on. I gotta do the rest of them as y'all can see them. Getting my work on. Then I got some other things in store. And then we're gonna go ahead and go around here. We got the light bar in the front. And then we're gonna take care of this light too as well. And we got something coming for the hood and the roof. So stay tuned, y'all. More to come. Got the tire stickers on. Thought we was looking good. Tell this.